Woodworking, at its core, has always been about more than shaping wood into functional or decorative objects. It is about giving form to imagination, embodying values, and creating something tangible that connects human hands with the natural world. When we speak of simple wooden crafts for a greener home ideas for beginners, we are not merely discussing easy projects that decorate a living space, but instead, we are opening a window into a philosophy of life that merges sustainability, creativity, and personal meaning in every piece made. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of simple wooden crafts design ideas for a greener home decor and woodworking ideas for beginners. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. For beginners, the act of picking up a piece of wood and crafting it into something useful or beautiful can be deeply empowering. It transforms the raw material into an extension of their identity, while also affirming their role in preserving and respecting the environment. These simple projects remind us that even without advanced tools, years of training, or expensive materials, we can create things that matter, things that serve, and things that carry stories. And in a world filled with mass production, where objects are stripped of uniqueness and personal resonance, these handmade wooden crafts reclaim the intimacy of the human touch and the intentionality behind every cut, polish, or detail. A greener home doesn't necessarily mean filling a space with luxury items labeled eco-friendly. Rather, it is about small, meaningful choices that reflect care for the environment and appreciation for natural resources. Wooden crafts made by beginners often start with modest items. Perhaps a planter for the balcony, a small wooden tray, or a rustic wall shelf. But what lies beneath the surface of these simple builds is profound. They become symbols of harmony, blending care for the planet with personal creativity. Using locally sourced or reclaimed wood reduces waste, reimagines what might have been discarded, and celebrates the imperfections of the material, which often end up becoming the most beautiful aspects of the finished craft. A knot in the grain, a subtle curve, or a weathered texture can transform a beginner's creation into something full of character, something that speaks of authenticity rather than perfection. This authenticity carries emotional weight, and the process itself becomes as meaningful as the final object. Each beginner learns not only to shape wood but also to slow down, to listen to the rhythm of handwork, and to reconnect with materials that have been part of human life for centuries. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. As beginners explore simple wooden crafts, they are also stepping into a practice that unites past, present, and future. The past is echoed in the traditions of woodworking passed down through generations, where families built furniture, tools, and homes with skill and care. The present is reflected in the growing awareness of sustainability and the push toward greener living, where making something by hand feels like a quiet rebellion against disposable culture. And the future lies in the lessons learned from each project, the confidence gained from completing something, the mindfulness nurtured by working with natural materials, and the possibility of passing this passion forward, inspiring others to embrace craft as a lifestyle rather than a hobby. Thus, a simple wooden project, even a small one, carries within it a continuum of meaning that enriches both the maker and the environment it inhabits. The experience of making is equally as important as the object created. For a beginner, the workshop, whether it's a full garage, a corner of a room, or simply a kitchen table, becomes a place of discovery. It's where patience meets curiosity, where a mistake might become a new design feature, and where the rhythm of sanding or hammering provides a meditative break from the fast-paced pressures of modern life. The tactile sensation of working with wood, the scent of sawdust, the sight of grain patterns emerging beneath sandpaper, all of these elements add layers of experience to the craft. Unlike mass-produced goods, where the consumer is detached from the process of creation, woodworking allows the maker to form a relationship with both the material and the result. This relationship fosters a sense of pride and belonging, an emotional connection that enriches the meaning of each craft. Meaning in woodworking is not only personal, but also communal. A simple handmade wooden craft can carry stories that ripple outward from the creator. Imagine gifting a handmade wooden cutting board to a friend or placing a self-built wooden candle holder at the center of family gatherings. These items invite interaction, spark conversation, and carry emotional resonance because they are infused with effort, thoughtfulness, and care. They are reminders that beauty does not always come from perfection but from intention, and that even a beginner's touch can produce something enduringly valuable. In this way, wooden crafts transcend their function and become vessels of memory, tradition, and identity. Looking toward the future of craft, the significance of beginners embracing simple wooden projects extends far beyond individual satisfaction. It represents a movement toward accessibility in woodworking, showing that one doesn't need to be a master carpenter to participate in creating meaningful, sustainable pieces. As more people turn to DIY woodworking, the culture of craft is being democratized, allowing individuals from all backgrounds and skill levels to engage with the practice. This inclusivity is vital for the survival and evolution of woodworking as an art form. It ensures that the craft continues to evolve, adapt, and remain relevant in the modern world, not as an elite pursuit, but as a universal form of expression and sustainable living. By lowering barriers to entry, simple wooden crafts encourage curiosity, foster learning, and inspire innovation, all while remaining rooted in the values of sustainability and authenticity. Ultimately, simple wooden crafts for a greener home is about shaping meaning, connection, and beauty that lasts. Every beginner who picks up a piece of wood and transforms it into something useful contributes to a larger story, one of harmony between humans and nature, one of creativity unbound by expertise, and one of sustainable choices that honor the environment. These crafts embody the delicate balance between utility and art, tradition and innovation, individual expression and communal impact. They prove that even in simplicity, there is depth, even in small projects, there is significance, and even in the hands of a beginner, there is the power to craft something lasting. What emerges from this practice is not just decor for a greener home, but also a testimony to care, creativity, and the timeless human desire to make. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked simple wooden crafts design ideas for a greener home decor and woodworking ideas for beginners. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.